Hey, what's up guys? I just received the Android head unit for the Tahoe 2007 to 2014. Pretty much everything in the box is the head unit. It comes with the cables, all the harnesses. I'm pretty sure I'm missing something, but I'm not sure. There's GPS, some of the cables for the OEM backup camera, and the rest is just plug and play. I'm pretty sure there's the factory chimes speaker is missing. I know that because I had a Yukon, another brand, Android head unit, and it came with a small speaker. It's annoying, but it worked. I'll have to check with the other website, or I'll have to contact the manufacturer about it. It'll come with a I don't know what is it called, but yeah, I'll have to install it. I'll post a video soon for it once everything is good. I mean, pretty much I'm gonna do a installation video. There's just like a quick update, and we'll keep you updated soon.